Hi, my name is Duke and I'm the founder and CEO of Fungi. So today I'm going to show you how to add your subscription product to your software or any of your subscription business. So let's get started. So in order to add your subscription product, go to subscriptions on the left menu of your developer dashboard and click on add subscription. And you will have all the details to be filled right here, from the name of the subscription product to the gallery and the cover video. So let's name it up subscription product, and let's add the cover photo of that. We're gonna use this thing right here. You can use a video to show the video for the product. Could be anything really. Then you can also upload a gallery of your software. So let's create the product. Just click on create product, and now it's added. Now it's important to know that variants are sort of plans for your subscription. So you can create a monthly plan, you can create a yearly plan. So let's say that this is going to be a monthly plan subscription, all right? And let's just add the same logo. And then head to create offer. Choose the variant that you can add the offer for or the price for this. So we have chosen the variant of monthly plan subscription, and now you can add a discounted price, for example, 51% or not. So you have to choose the interval for your subscription period. So it's going to be a month in this case. This item is going to be available globally, and this is a monthly subscription as a warning text. All right, save that price offer. There we go. Now, if you click on view the product, you'll see how the end users will see that subscription product in your store. They can, of course, subscribe to that product. And once they provide their payment details, they will get charged for that interval that you have specified in the dashboard. So in this case, it's going to be $39 per month plus taxes. That's $49.97 per month. All they have to do is to provide the email address and payment details, and then they're going to get subscribed to that product. So if you want to connect that payment information to your software, so just go over to docs and API references, and you will have all the API described so that you can connect that to your software. You should be able to handle all the information about the payment success or failures. The user's credit card or payment method will be charged for that interval period that you have specified within this dashboard. If you need anything else, just head to Help Center and everything will be described step by step. So that's it. That's easy as 1, 2, 3. You have just added a subscription product to your software or your subscription business. Thank you.